Hello, welcome to 9340 Oak Brook Drive in Clearcreek Township, Ohio. Here we have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, beautiful home with an oversized 2-car garage. I'm going to pan out here throughout the neighborhood, kind of show you the street view. What a beautiful, quiet street. Here we have a homeowners association here that has 2 heated pools, 6 miles of walking trails, 2 stocked fishing ponds, and a lot more. So I think you'll be very pleasantly surprised once we go inside the home here at 9340 Oak Brook Drive in Clearcreek Township. So as we enter 9340 Oak Brook Drive in Clearcreek Township, you'll notice how incredibly beautiful and open this area is. Opens up into a dining room and into the kitchen. So here we have all granite countertops. We've got the upgraded 42-inch cabinets, the stainless steel appliances that do convey with the property, the sink out here in the island here. And then we've got the laundry room off the kitchen into there. And then we'll swing back around and check out the dining room. Just a really good open feel about this house. So then we go into the guest bathroom here, which to the right is bedroom number 1, and to the left is bedroom number 2, and we'll explore those here just shortly. So we've got a nice bathroom here as our guest bathroom. Nice lighting. Let's go to bedroom number 1. This is in the back of the house. Got a nice view out the window here. We've got a nice sized closet here as well. Kind of back out and span around the room here. And then we'll go into bedroom number 2, which is in the front left of the house as you face the house. Nice view there in that window. Kind of span around. So that takes us back to the living room. Now from here we'll cut across and go into the master bedroom. We'll take a look outside here shortly, but out there's really some nice things to look out there once we get there. So we get to the master bathroom and look at the enormity of this master bedroom. And then we're going to go into the master bath, which is amazing. Look at the floors, guys. Beautiful floors. The stand-up shower, the double sink basin, really nice. And then we have everyone's dream is the master closet, which I would love to have in my home. Really nice. So as we come downstairs into the basement, you're going to notice just how incredibly huge this basement is. Completely finished. Would really be an excellent place for a theater room. Plenty of place for the kids to play. We do have can lighting. And then we also have a place for a desk and even an exercise area. So that's just how big this basement is. But there's one bonus that you'll be very surprised about down here that I'm getting ready to show you. That leads into the mechanical room. We'll go there shortly. So as we come down this hallway, you're going to notice a completely another bedroom. It's probably about 13 by 12. Has the egress window here. Also the closet. Pan out here so you can see the size of this bedroom, perfect for a teenager or anyone really. It's a great fourth bedroom of this house. It's been added on, very, very nice. Also has its own bathroom as well, along with a stand-up shower. Really nice basement, guys, really nice. You see the enormity of this basement. So let me take you into the mechanical room. Let's see what we got in here. This is excellent for storage, all your holiday things, just about anything. And we do have a nice added feature of a tankless water heater. And we've got your furnace and your sump pump here. And you can see the size of that. So pretty nice basement here, guys. Really, really nice. You don't want to miss out on this one, and I'll see you upstairs. So here we've come around to the back of the home here at 9340 Oak Brook Drive. And as you can see to the right, down at the bottom, is your egress window going down into that fourth bedroom. Your air conditioner there is on the pedestal there on the right. And then you also have the deck, very hardy, strong deck here on the back of the house. The house has 2,700 plus square feet. It's got a tankless water heater. You've got granite countertops in the kitchen. You've got the extra size 42-inch cabinets. You've got the extra bedroom downstairs with the total of 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. And you've got that gorgeous 34 by 26 basement. So I appreciate you coming and touring the property with me, and call your realtor or call myself, and have a great day.